Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we learn that how to add PIR sensor library to the Proteus. So you can download this library from the link provided in the description, download it and then you can use it. So let me open it. Here you can see the library folder as well as the model. Open the library folder first, copy this file from here, go back and now go to the desktop. From here right click on it, go to open file location and now go back to the main folder of Proteus. Locate the library folder, open it and now paste the file over here. So here you can see PIR sensor is pasted here. Close it and go back to the library folder. Open it again. This time open the model folder. Copy this file from here and now right click on Proteus icon. Go to file location. Click on main folder of Proteus 7. Now locate the model folder. Open it and now paste the file over here. So here you can see PIR sensor library are pasted here. Close it and now open the Proteus software. Please keep in mind that if you already opened the software, close it and reopen it again so it will load the latest libraries. Now search for the PIR sensor. So here you can see the PIR sensor analog and PIR sensor digital. So let me click on analog, double click on this and now click on OK. Place it here. Now here you can see the VCC pin, out pin and ground pin. You can interface this with the Arduino. So here you can see the plus button and the minus button. With the help of plus you can bring the person near to the sensor, and with the help of minus button you can away this from the sensor. So let me click on plus and you can see here it's coming near to the sensor. With the help of minus it's going back away from the sensor. So this was the method of how to add PIR sensor to the Proteus. You can download the library from the link provided in the description, download it and then you can use it. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Visit my channel for more videos related to it. Thanks for watching.